Hey, that was my my intro of this new video of technical short notes. I'm really glad to have you today, and welcome to this new video. Okay, and I don't know, previous of my conference in Denver next week, I decided to record this video about ultrasonic testing for corrosion because this is going to be my subject. I'm going to present in Wednesday around noon. I don't know, at AMPP Theater. So I really hope you see you there. Okay. So in this video, we will discussing about ultrasonic testing. What ultrasonic testing is. This is a very basic subject, of course, but it is important for all of them who really would like to go deeply to this kind of area of corrosion inspection, maybe, or this kind of non-destructive testing issues. Okay, so let's review about what ultrasonic testing is, about, for example, how it works and its applications in detecting corrosion. Okay, and first of all, I don't know what is ultrasonic testing. Okay. Well, ultrasonic testing is, as you know, is a non-destructive testing method that uses high-frequency sound waves to detect and measure the thickness of the material. Sometimes, okay, at least in the corrosion field, it is very used to make thickness measurements. Okay, but it's not limited just to do that. And it is commonly used in industrial applications such as, for example, oil and gas and manufacturing, to inspect for defects and damages. And okay, how does ultrasonic testing works? Ultrasonic testing works by sending high frequency sound waves into the material, okay, and measuring the time it takes for the wave to bounce back. By analyzing the waves, okay, and the signal on our screen, okay, those bumps on our screen, we can determine the thickness and integrity of the material. And for example, about the applications in detecting corrosion, ultrasonic testing is an effective method for detecting corrosion in materials. Okay, corrosion is a common problem in industry application, of course, and can cause significant damage if not detected, and of course, maybe, I don't know, repaired in time due to the evident degradation, loss of and affectation of the material. Okay, so ultrasonic testing can detect corrosion in a variety of materials. Okay, actually, ultrasonic inspection is not limited to ferrous materials or materials that are prone to corrosion. This kind of inspections using ultrasonic testing are widely used in almost, I don't know, maybe any kind of material, okay, including, of course, metals and plastics and composites, and okay, almost any material could be inspected by ultrasonic testing. And actually, this is maybe one of my favorites non-destructive testing methods. Okay, so because it's very versatile, so it can be used to detect corrosion on the surface of the material or within the material itself. Basically, with some understand about how this physics of the ultrasonic beam works, and for example, knowing about the behavior of what is apparently a simple signal could give us a lot of information about what's happening inside our a component, okay, or inside a material. It is commonly used, for example, in pipes, for example, pressure vessels, where the nature of their process and the type of content and work environment, of course, requires a continuous control of material degradation and corrosion. Specifically, when the function of the inspected device depends on the wall thickness to support some internal pressure or load during the normal operation. Okay, so it's gonna give us a lot of very important information to design or just to know about what's happening inside our material. Okay, actually, when I teach leak testing training courses, during the hydrostatic practice, I show how to calculate a very useful formula to review the working deformation or burst pressure, for example. This is called Barlow's formula. And here's part of this formula development, the thickness of the piece that you need to calculate, okay? So during this specific training course, my intention is to demonstrate what's happened with component load resistance when it is affected, for example, by corrosion, and why it is important to perform a good thickness measurement or mapping, okay? So, well, that's it. Give me a comment if you would like to talk more about this kind of calculus, and I'm gonna try to record some video about it. And well, about the benefits of ultrasonic testing, there are several benefits to using ultrasonic testing for corrosion detection. First of all, I think, of course, it is a non-destructive testing method, which means it does not damage the material being inspected, so we can know what's happening inside the component without maybe cutting a window, okay? Or just go in to look inside, yeah? The second point that I'm keep in mind is it is a fast and efficient testing method, allowing for quick detection and analysis for corrosion when compared with radiographic testing, for example, which involves a lot of issues of safety, because we are working with radiographic inspection, we are working with ionizing radiation. And it is actually a slower process by itself. And of course, maybe it is important to highlight that needs more time to process and obtain images and so on. And well, maybe finally, it is highly accurate, providing maybe precise measurements on data on the extent and severity of corrosion. Sorry. Of course, this requires the combination of highly skilled inspector sometimes, selection of the equipment, for example, and accessories, okay? A proper sweep or mapping and calibration process supported by itself, its respectively procedure. The procedure is actually very important for these kind of inspections. And in my conclusion, well, I don't know, actually I could add the portability of this kind of inspection devices for field inspections. It is very helpful for an inspector to work with a highly portability device. And well, thank you all for watching my technical short notes video about ultrasonic testing corrosion. I really enjoyed writing this script and recording it, and I really hope you found this information helpful for and informative, of course. I really would like to see you at Denver. If you can attend my conference, it will be great. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video and maybe to visit Denver at the AMPP conference. If you have any question or would like to learn more about ultrasonic testing, please don't hesitate to contact me. Leave me a comment, follow me on Facebook, follow me on LinkedIn and YouTube, and wait for the next video. Okay? See ya.